Hey Talicia. So here is the answer for Tier 2, questions 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the second number, so obviously we don't know what this value is. The second number is 5 more than twice a first. So we don't know two numbers, right? So we're going to let x represent the first number. Okay, so x represents the first number. So x is 5 more than twice a first. So twice a first. So 2 times the first number, and it's 5 more. And that equals the second number. Oh, sorry. Let me rephrase that. Let's start that again, sorry. So, let's look at this last part. It says their sum is 80. Their sum is 80. Okay? So that means I'm going to have some number plus another number, and that's going to equal to 80, correct? Because their sum means adding is 80. So some number plus another number is equal to 80. Now, so there's going to be a first number and a second number. So the first number, it says let x represent the first number. That means that is the first number. Okay. And what is the second number? Well, the second number, isn't it just right here? The second number. Because it says the second number is 5 more than twice the first. So the first number twice plus 5, this will give me the second number. Okay, so the second number plus the first number gives me 80. So now I just have to collect like terms and simplify this. So I have 2 x's there, and then I'm going to add another x. That will give me 3 x's, and I still have the 5 there, plus 5, and that will equal to 80. My job here is just to solve for x. So if I move this over, I'll get 3x equals 80 minus 5. Okay. So 3x equals to 75. So then I divide both sides by 3, and then x equals to 25. Okay? Done. So if you want to check, you can. If the first number is 25, the second number is 5 more than twice the first. So 25 times 2 is 50. 50 plus another 5 is 55. And then 55 plus 25 is indeed 80. Okay, and Talicia, you also asked about number 5 and 6. So again, we have 2 numbers here. The larger number and a smaller number. So larger number plus, because it's a sum, plus smaller number is equal to 63. Now, do I know what the smaller number is? No. I'm going to let x represent the small number. Okay, so this is going to be the small number. Well, what is the large number? Well, the large number is 1 less, so I know it's 1 less than 3 times a smaller. So 3 times the smaller one. Again, just collect like terms. So 3x plus x is 4x. I still have the minus 1 there, equals 63. And then just solve for x. Move the 1 over, so it's 4x equals to 63 plus 1, which is 64. And then you divide both sides by 4, and x equals to 16. Done. Okay, and again, the sum of the numbers is 92. So I know it needs to equal to 92. I have 2 numbers. The first number is 4 more than 7 times the second. So let x represent the second. Let x represent the second number, blah blah blah. So then I can let x represent the second. A first number is 4 more, so I know it's plus 4. Then 7 times the second. So 7 times the second. Now you do the same thing. 7x plus x is 8x, plus 4 is equal to 92. Move the 4 over, you get 8x equals 92 minus 4, which is 88. Divide both sides by 8, x equals to 11. Done. Hopefully that helped, Felicia. Try the other ones. They are very similar to these first 6. Okay?